Guys, check out my new fridge, guys. Guys, check out my new fridge. Guys, check it out, guys. Nothing in there, guys. Just water and ice. Just got it yesterday. The next one did not give me problem, yeah. So I have to get a new one. So, guys, this is it. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Like listen, nothing not inside it. Just got it. That's all in it, guys. These are the things that has to be refrigerated after they pull. After they are open, so I have to put them back in the fridge. Well, guys, meat is here, but they are in the deep freeze. Can't bother go down there, go take them up and put them in this so them can go and stay because them already in our fridge though. So yes, guys, this is it. Brand Marby. Yes, guys. Okay. Yes, guys, this is it. My new fridge, or should I say my new refrigerator. Bye.